This is the Canon auto profile. Canon auto profile. How good is the Canon auto profile? Canon auto profile. Canon standard profile. Canon standard profile. This is the Canon standard profile. Canon portrait profile. Canon portrait profile. Canon portrait profile. Canon landscape profile. Canon landscape profile. Landscape profile Canon. Canon fine detail. Canon fine detail. Canon fine detail. So how good is the Canon fine detail? Canon neutral profile. Canon neutral profile. Canon neutral profile. Canon faithful profile. Canon faithful profile. Canon faithful profile. Canon monochrome. Canon monochrome. Canon monochrome profile. Canon user defined custom profile. I'm using the standard profile as the base and I have custom the setting. User defined 2. In this one I'm using the neutral profile as the base. HDR PQ on, the HDR PQ profile, but you have to turn off the clarity setting. This is the HDR PQ.